Children, let us do mensuration today. Let us do question number 1 from that unit exercise number 7. Read the question. The barrel of a fountain pen, cylindrical in shape, is 7 centimeter long and 5 millimeter in diameter. The full barrel of ink in the pen will be used for writing 330 words on an average. How many words can be written using a bottle of ink containing 1/5 of a liter? Children, you should have seen a fountain pen. You can see in this diagram also there will be a barrel to fill ink in the pen. And the length of the barrel is given 7 centimeter and diameter is given as 5 millimeter. And this is in the shape of a cylinder. And using the ink in the after filling the barrel, using one barrel full of ink, we can write 330 words on an average. And there is an ink bottle which contains 1/5 of a liter of ink. So using that bottle of ink, how many words can be written? We should find out how many words can be written using 1/5 of a liter of ink. So here, because the barrel is in the shape of the cylinder, using the volume of the cylinder formula, we can find out the volume of ink in the pen, in the barrel of the pen. So the formula to find out the volume of the ink is pi r square h. Using that, we can find out the volume of ink in the barrel in the beginning. So after finding the volume, we can find out how many words can be written using 1/5 of liter of ink. Let us do the sum now. The length of the barrel is given as 7 centimeter. Diameter is given 5 millimeter. Therefore, radius of the barrel is equal to 5 by 2 millimeter. We should convert that to centimeter. So that is equal to 5 by 20 centimeter. That is equal to 1 by 4 centimeter. So volume of the barrel of the pen is equal to pi r square h cubic units. Therefore, volume of the ink in the pen is equal to 22 by 7 into, or r is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into h is 7. So into 7 centimeter cube. We can simplify here. We can cancel the 7 and 7. 7 in the numerator and 7 in the denominator gets cancelled. And 4 is divisible by 2, so it goes 2 times. Then in 22, 2 goes 11 times. So after cancelling the numbers, we'll get 11 by 8 centimeter cube. So volume of the ink in the pen is 11 by 8 centimeter cube. And we can convert that to liters because the volume of ink in the bottle is given in liters. Therefore, we'll convert this also to liter. And we know that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So this 11 by 8 centimeter cube is equal to 11 by 8000 liters. Now we compare and find out the number of words that can be written. Now we have found out volume of the ink in the barrel is 11 by 8000 liter, and volume of ink in the bottle is 1 by 5 liter. So using 11 by 8000 liters of ink, we can write 330 words. So how many, using 1 by 5 liters of ink, how many words can be written? So the statement is number of words that can be written with 11 by 8000 liters is equal to 330. So number of words that can be written with 1/5 of liter of ink is equal to 1 by 5 into 330 divided by 11 by 8000. Here it is direct variation. If you have more ink, if you have more volume of ink, more number of words can be written. So this is like direct variation. So we can find out the number of words that can be written using 1 by 5 liters of ink is 1 by 5 into 330 divided by 11 by 8000. So, because you have to divide here, we can write the reciprocal and multiply. So this on simplification, you write 330 into 8000 divided by 5 into 11. The denominator we have 5 into 11. Now we can simplify further. 11 goes in 330 30 times. Then again 5 goes in 30 6 times. So 6 into 8000 when you multiply will get 48,000. So the total number of words that can be written using 1 by 5 liters of ink is equal to 48,000, and this is the answer. So using here in this sum we have used the volume of the cylinder formula because the barrel is in the shape of the cylinder. We used the volume of cylinder formula, and the formula to find out volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h cubic units. So thank you for watching this video. Learn all the formula. It will be very easy to solve all the sums in